Hey folks, Exclusive Mall Designs here, and this is part 1 of the inbox review for the Polar Lights 1/350th scale Star Trek Enterprise refit. Now, I did have the older kit, the A version, but sadly a lot of pieces got wrecked when I moved to the new studio, so I had no choice but to buy this one. Now, I guess I could have bought the older kit, but I was very curious to see what this new kit offered. And so we're going to answer a lot of questions here today of what you get inside this kit as opposed to, I guess you could call the A. So let's answer some of those questions here today of what you do get in this kit and what you don't get in this kit. But because of the size of this model, it's definitely going to take me to do this in about 3 videos, I would say. So we're going to answer all your questions here today of what decals you get, what parts you get, and what you don't get. So let's just get right into it. So obviously there's your box art, right? You get the front and back, and the back shows you what it looks like when it's all completed. And of course you get the shuttle bay there, but this shuttle bay is for obviously the refit, not the A refit. So if you are looking to build the A version of the Enterprise, this isn't going to be for you. So there you go. Because obviously a lot of people bought the A and wanted just the motion picture version, I guess, or the refit version of the Enterprise. So I guess they appealed to that crowd on this this model kit. But we'll get into that there. So we just got the big pieces on the desk here. But they did leave in the bottom section of the drive section. So you do still have that choice, right? So if you want to build the A version still, right? You do still have that option, right? So you have the panel lines still engraved here, or these ones here, or the smooth. So they still left that in, which is great. So you still have that option. So if that was a question you had for this model kit here, you do have that option still. So that's great. So they didn't omit that. These pieces look the same. Again, I'm comparing this to my old kit. Sadly, I don't have my old kit anymore. I still did keep my decals, but I don't have the old model. But from what I can tell, all the detailing is still the same. I would imagine they would have kept the molds. But if you have the old model out there and you want to compare this video to your model kit, by all means. And then there's the saucer section, the lower. Going off memory, it still looks the same. The panel detail still looks great. It's just my chair rolling around here. I'm going to do my best to keep this steady there, guys. Of course, underneath. Now I will be building this, but I think with this one I'm not going to do any lights with this. I think I am just going to build this almost out of the box and do a video series on this, just so if people want to follow along and just kind of want to do an out of the box build along with me, not on a budget, but you know what I mean. Because I mean, a lot of people out there, just don't want to do the lights and you just want to have fun. And I know a lot of people out there just, they just don't want to go to the expenditure, right? Because this can get to be very expensive. I mean, the model kit itself is already, pretty expensive. So that looks the same as comparing it to the older release of the model, but still very nice. I mean, I gotta admit, the seam lines and stuff, it seems like it just wants to fit together, right? I mean, that's no glue or nothing, that's just how it comes. Same with this, that's just how it came. Obviously it will need glue. Here's the other one. There's the stand. Bit of weight to this, so I mean it would have to be right because the model's pretty heavy. So that's pretty much it for the for the larger parts. But I guess the most important part, I guess, of this video would be the question of if you still wanted to do the A version, would you still have the option for these pieces? And the answer is yes, you do. So there we go. So that's it for part one for the big pieces. The part two, we'll get into the sprues and what you get on the sprues. So stand by for that. So there we go. There's part one. Stand by for part two. Thank you.